What if I told you your fridge could go from messy to magazine-worthy in just 60 seconds? Picture this: your fridge is a disaster, half-empty condiments everywhere, mystery leftovers lurking in the back. But here's the secret. All it takes is 1 minute and 3 simple steps. First, grab a trash bag and toss anything expired or unrecognizable. No mercy. Next, group like items together. Dairy in one spot, produce in another, condiments in the door. Finally, use clear bins or lazy Susans to corral small items so they're easy to grab. That's it. No fancy tools, no hours wasted. Just a fridge that looks like you've got your life together. Ready to try it? Hit like if this hack saves you time, and follow for more quick fixes to optimize your day.